Hi everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video for you today. You can probably see my little barriers up here. I'm gonna use my Lazy Susan to do a spin, and I'm not accommodating for that. So I have just some cardboard barrier up, and I hope it's gonna work. If it falls down, then we might have to try something else. First, I want to show you my painting from the last video, if I can get it in here. I did some balloon kisses afterwards. Wasn't happy with the way it turned out, so I just did some balloon kisses on it. I think it looks pretty nice. So there's that. And today I'm working on a 12-inch round. I'm going to do put down a white base coat, and I'm going to do some little petals and blow them out with my little tiny blower from Amazon. And then I'm gonna spin them if I can, if my little cardboard things stay up. So let's get on with this, and I'm gonna put out my white base coat. I'm hoping that this cardboard stays where it should be. We'll see how it goes. Hope you all can see all right. I got my TV on, so I think it's okay. Get my sides afterwards, I think. Okay, let's see. I need to get the air bubbles out, so I'll use my new torch. It still isn't too painty yet. I don't have too much paint on it yet. And if I don't tell you all the colors that I'm using, they will be in the description box below the video. Oh. Get these going pretty good here. This is a silver. I do them all at once. After I get them all the petals poured, I'm going to wreck them. I have a little bamboo skewer that I'm going to run through them. After I blow them out, of course. I think you can see my cardboard a little bit. All right. Here's my little blower. And if this doesn't do a good job, I have a straw that I'm going to use also. Let's see what we can accomplish here. Okay. Ooh, those look pretty good. Getting a little bit of cells going. You give it a little torch before I wreck them. Some air bubbles. Okay. So my bottom is just house paint from Walmart. It's grab and go, and I mix it the same as I mix my other paints. 2 parts floetrol and 1 part paint, and then water if necessary to get the consistency that I want. So now we're gonna wreck these just like this. Wipe some of that off. Oh, I think that's pretty good. There we go. All right, let me move this out of the way. Now, if I don't fling paint everywhere, we'll be doing good. So here goes the spinner. I did put a handle on here so I can get a hold of it better. I think I might have to spin it harder than that, huh? Okay, let's try it a little bit harder. Good thing I have an apron on. Let's see how that looks. You know, I think I'm going to put 1 more puddle in the middle. If I can remember the way that I did this in. I think this was the combo I did. A blower. You can tell my blower is well used. Full of paint. One of these days it's going to get out on me and I'll have to buy a new one. It's paint everywhere. Okay, let's wreck this one. Air bubble I can pop with this. All right, let's go again. It's way over here. Ready? Whoops, lost my side. Stay up there. Okay, here we go. Not losing too much paint, so. Caught that right before it was going in the paint. Stay up there. Okay, I think that's pretty nice. Kind of like that. Let's give it 1 more torch. Hands wiped off. Maybe we'll tilt it a little bit, see what we can make of it. Let's get these down out of the way. There we go. Now we can see better. Not much to tour, or not much to tilt. The sides are really nice. What do you think? There's a close-up for you. I think that did really good. I was proud of my spinner. It worked really well. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I think that's about it for today. I hope everybody had a nice Christmas. This will be out the Thursday after Christmas. I guess it'll be New Year's Eve. I think that always comes after a week after Christmas Eve. So it'll be out There's something right there in my paint. There we go. New Year's Eve, if you go out, please be safe. Don't drink and drive. If you have to have a party, stay home. Have your friends stay all night if they're coming, so they'll be safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate my subscribers. Thanks for being here for me. Share with your family and friends. If you'd want to get a hold of me, all my information is in the description box below every video. I'm on Instagram. I have an Etsy store. I do commission work. My email address is down there. So just get a hold of me any way you want, and I'll do whatever you want. And as always, please have a great day.